Hello YouTube viewers, again fancy stuff from AKK Technology. I received today FX3-ultimate. So standard AKK packing, very well protected. This is hard box, so you can be sure that this will not be damaged during shipment. And here is strong foam. Let me somehow put that out. Their devices are always well protected. Good. No connector, again that's good because we actually don't need them. And here is standard pigtail or antenna adapter plus manual, as usual as with AKK Technology. So let's check this out first on a scale. It says 5.69 grams with adapter 10.16 grams. Excellent, as usual. And in the manual, let's run through some quick specifications. Sports pit stop mode, as all AKK, almost all AKK products. Power output is 25, 200, 400 and 600. Why it's called Ultimate? Maybe this one has the same thing like the Ultimate Mini. You can bypass those restrictions. Let's check it out. And 5 bands, of course, 8 channels per each band. Some of them are locked, unavailable due to FCC regulations. And standard LED lights and the button and those LED lights. I don't know if you can see them. So this is the button LED lights. On the background, nothing. This one has at the front has a built-in microphone. Cables. Now you know what these are. So this is main power input. It supports from 7 to 24 volts for input. Yellow is video input. This is red and black. It is 5 volt camera output to power up your camera, and the green one is of course smart audio. So you can control your device with your Betaflight FC. You can control, of course, everything: power output, channel, band. You already know that. But this one has something which is really interesting, and this is this small tiny jack, antenna jack. So this is MMCX. As usual, MMCX connector. You have your adapter. This is for SMA adapter, but also has another antenna connector. It's those, I don't know real name, but it's like you can find on your receivers. For receiver antennas is the same thing. So if you have that sort of transmitting antenna, you can connect it directly to this board. Okay, I will quickly solder connector here, attach the antenna, and we will go through the options as usual, changing the channels, changing the band and changing the power output. And I will try that trick with the Ultimate Mini if it works here. See you in a second. There, I have soldered simple connector for my batteries and hooked up stick antenna, and never power up any VTX without antenna. So let's power it up, and you can see standard LEDs. It's hard to see on because they are so tiny, and this button does, by single press, change the channel. Only first channel the blue light is on, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, and again when blue light is constantly on, it's the first channel. Long pressing for 2 seconds, the red one flashes, and with that you change the bands. So here each band has its own LED. And finally, long pressing for more than 4 seconds, the green one flashes, and then you can change from 25, 200, 400 and 600 milliwatts. When green LED is on, it's on 25 milliwatts. So what I wanted to try is, since this is ultimate version, there's no heatsink here, if this ultimate version can power up more than 600. On FX2 Mini, it's achieved by pressing this button and holding it for more than 8 seconds till all LEDs flash. And here all LEDs just turn off. So this will focus on now on green LED. This is 25 milliwatts. Let's change it by long pressing. 25, 200, 400, 600, and now it's 25 again. So everything is as in the manual. No, you cannot bypass those frequencies like on FX2 Mini, and you cannot bypass this power output. It's 600 milliwatts, and that's it. So again, I will test this one also, range test, as soon as my friend returns from a vacation. He's my long range pilot, has equipment for commanding, I mean, has a transmitter and receiver for controlling his plane for long range. I don't have it, I have standard 2.4 gigahertz. And with this 600, I assume 4 to 5 kilometers with standard antennas, not stick antennas, but some cheap antennas. This one will be probably like my previous AKK VTXs, 4 to 5 kilometers minimum. With better antennas, I suggest up to 10, maybe 12 kilometers, but you need specialized antennas for that, not just standard mushroom antennas. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.